Hello dear doctors and students. Today we will learn one of the most popular polycrest remedy, BRYONIA alba, indicated in all forms of disease. BRYONIA people are reliable, playful, quite industrious, busy and determined. They approach life and work methodically without letting emotions get in the way. The main feeling of BRYONIA is the feeling of a loss, which has to be made up very fast. One of the commonest ways of making up a loss is by business. Here you invest what you have, take risk and try to increase your wealth. The concentration is totally on business. So much so that the BRYONIA person talks and dreams of business, and in a delirium will mention what the money has to be put where and what business transaction has to be completed. And that is why we have a beautiful rubric, talks of business. BRYONIA is a 3-mark, only remedies. He reads things concerned with his business, converses with business people, and his attitude in the clinic will also be rather business-like. As a result, one could mistake BRYONIA for calcarea floor. But the theme of calcarea floor is to preserve what one already has. And therefore calcarea floor does not take any risk. BRYONIA, however, does take risk. One may also compare BRYONIA with Veratrum alb. But Veratrum is concerned more with the loss of position than the loss of money. So egotism, extravagance and so become the theme in Veratrum, but are not so much seen in BRYONIA. They have constant desire for financial security. If their effort fails, irritability and sadness can dominate and becomes dry, insensitive to the emotions and the feeling of others. Quarrelsome and inclined to scold those around him, envies of others, and feels himself unfortunate, become violently angry from contradiction. And that is why quarrelsome BRYONIA is quite ranking remedy. Anger from contradiction is also very common, especially in acute conditions like fever, most important. Taciturn and disinclined to conversation, answers hastily, does not ask for anything and wishes to be alone. He is averse to any company, particularly the presence of strangers. That's why rubric we use asking nothing for, and does not wish to be disturbed. One of the most important rubric, aversion to being touched. Generally discontented and dissatisfied with himself, complaining and despondent. Extreme anxiety for future. Avarice with the desire to have material objects and make plenty of money. And we have a rubric, avarice, anxiety about the future. BRYONIA is there. Fear of poverty. Many homeopaths frequently using this rubric in a chronic conditions. Talks about business. When he delirious and thinks he is somewhere and wants to go home, even if they are already in their home. And that is why delusion must get there. Bryonia is 3 mark. It acts prominently on synovial and muscular tissues, producing arthritic and rheumatic inflammations and swelling. It especially affects the right side. Like Rustock's Bryonia has application for joints pain and backache, but with very different modalities. While those needing Rustock's often feels better with a slight movement and stretching, while Bryonia is just the opposite. It's a keynote symptom. Pain worse from slightest movement. Apply best it's swollen, red, hot joints, aching from irritation or sprains. Motion aggravation, one of the most common rubric. In fact, Clark described Rustock's and Bryonia are antidote for one another. Most of the time, Bryonia pains find relief in applied pressure or lying on painful side. We frequently use Bryonia in headache. It relieves intense bursting frontal headache, and that may build up to cover the whole head and do not want to be moved or jarred in any way. पेशेंट बताएगा सर मूवमेंट भी नहीं कर सकता हूँ, इतना दर्द हो रहा है. सो jarring aggravation, motion aggravation of headache and perspirations during also the headache is Bryonia 3 months. Headache commences in the morning, not on waking, but when the first opening the eyes. Bryonia is leading remedy. They feel best when buried under a pillow in a dark room. These headaches accompany most Bryonia ailments. Bryonia is the only drug having a stitching, jerking, throbbing headache from the forehead backward to occiput. Again, it is good remedy for GI problems. Food disagrees the patient as soon as he takes it. It lies in the stomach like a hard load. Patient बताएगा पत्थर जैसा लग रहा है stomach में. There is a white or yellowish coating of the tongue, and there is a faint, weak feeling on sitting. It is due to dryness. Basically, is one of the best remedy for dryness, and the stools are large, hard, dry and brown, as if burned with no urging. Here you can compare with the alumina. There is a complete inactivity of the rectum in alumina, and even a soft stool expel with great difficulty. Gastric flu with a bitter taste and aching in the stomach relieved only by belching. It may lead to the state of great fatigue in which the slightest exertion seems too much. So we have a rubric, gastrointestinal complaints. Now, one of the most important remedy nowadays in a COVID-19, we use Bryonia where the pneumonia taken place because of the dryness or the coughing continuously with a glass blood type of consolidations in a CT, HRCT. Here in a pleurisy, sharp stitching pain in the chest, worse from slightest motion. Patient often holds chest with the hands while coughing. That is apt to be fever, headache and also chilliness. The patient holds the chest with the hands while coughing is one of the most important rubric in Bryonia, and that you will get in a COVID also. So in pneumonia, there are pleuritic pains, hard dry cough, the scanty, tenacious, rush color expectoration, circumscribed with the redness of the cheeks, and we have the physical sign of hepatizations. Relief from lying on affected side and aggravation from lying on left side will get in first class. Again, it is very useful in a typhoid fever, soreness all over the body, tired feeling, every exertion fatigues, and he has a dread of all motions, a splitting, agonizing, frontal headache, worse from motion, one of the most important indications. The face gets red towards evening, nosebleed in the morning, preceded by a fullness in the head. The sleep is troubled and the patient dreams of business, one of the important things, and there is a high fever. Delirium, patient wants to go home. In female, we use this remedy when the stony hardness of mammy before menses, mastitis. Also, pain in the breast during menstruation. Menses suppressed from becoming overheated from ironing or washing. Frequent bleeding of nose at the appearance of menses. So we have good rubrics for that. Induration mammy, epistaxis instead of menses, ovaritis, intermenstrual pain, and a great abdominal and pelvic soreness. Pain in the right ovary, acid tone extending to thigh. We have a lilium tig and crocus also. Infant sore mouth, child does not want to take hold of this, but after mouth become moist, nurses well. Dryness of mucous membrane, especially from lips to anus, dry, hard stools. Relief all conditions except the headache and the eye symptoms by warmth. Excessive thirst, everybody knows, for a large quantity of water. I use this remedy in my practice very successfully in all potencies. Amenorrhea, aphthous, asthma, dentition problem, diarrhea, even constipations, eczema, gastroenteritis, hemorrhages, intermittent fevers, jaundice, malaria, nephritis, pneumonia, pyuria, many more conditions. So, I hope you have, in a nutshell, I have explained you regarding bryonia. It is one of the most important and a long remedy, but I have concluded as much as I can. Thank you very much.